Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei P30. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box under that one here. Let's remove it, and here in the instruction box you will find a pin. So go with your finger inside to remove it and press a bit, and now you can release it. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone this SIM tray, and the part of the SIM tray is a small hole, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, the first SIM card you will put here on that position like this. So missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. And if you have the dual SIM version, you have also the opportunity to put here the second SIM card, or otherwise always you could use here the nano SD card. Let us put here for the dual SIM version the second SIM card, and also missing corner, and also the contacts are below. Okay, and if you want to know if you have a dual SIM version or the single SIM version, then you can check here at this corner. If there's written just NM, like here in my case, then you have just the single SIM version. But I want to show you with this video how the dual SIM version works, because it looks exactly the same. So let's enter this construction back into the phone. And that's it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.